Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tina here. Now before we get started with the Planter Garden Herb Challenge update, question for anyone that's ever grown eggplant. I've never grown it before, any variety. This is the Easter egg or eggplant. Do all eggplants have thorns? And about when should I even start getting fruit on this? This was the one I planted for the WIG 2023. So, if you know the answers, leave them in the comments for a sister. Help a girl out. Still nothing on my sage or my plantain. My Greek mountain mint is doing fantastic. So is the wild lettuce. The Tulsi basil is starting to take off now. Oregano is hanging in there and doing its thing. One of them looks like it's a little stressed and trying to flower already. So I'll have to drop more seeds for that. Marshmallow is still hanging on. New seeds have not germinated yet. Same with the horehound. It's doing its thing, the one. Still don't know what that little one there is that got washed backwards. If it's horehound or rosemary. I'm thinking horehound. Nothing yet on the rosemary that I regerminated. Nothing on King of Bitters. My self-heal is taking off and doing great. Same with the fenugreek. The one is doing great. The other two are catching up. And that's about it. Still dropping more seeds. It's warming up here in Ohio 6B. So I'll be able to try and drop some seeds outdoors real soon. And we will see how that goes. Talk to you later, fam. Bye-bye.